Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's update our view on the euro currency. Actually, during the recent trading sessions there were no much price action, so it's very difficult to add some new ideas, but I would like to share with you with some thoughts. It probably could be useful for you. What do we have on the daily time frame? Our discussion of the current week has started from this pattern, that is stop grabber, bullish stop grabber pattern, or as it also could be called as the failed trend shifting. So you can see by this price action, market has tried to shift trend on the bearish side but failed and returns right back and has held the bullish trend intact. In general, on the daily time frame, overall picture looks more bullish rather than bearish, because we have bullish trend, we have some upward price action, okay, and potentially the pattern that could lead to some deeper move to the upside. So you can see that is our butterfly cell that is forming on the daily time frame. That could lead market to the area of confidence resistance that, as we said, on the daily, from the daily perspective, could be the nice area to sell. But take a look at the recent price action. That is just a calling inside the tight range. If we'll take a look at this candle, then almost recent price action stands inside of this range for even more than the 2 weeks, and the recent week stands in the range of this bar. It's the previous Monday. Okay, so that is really tight range for euro currency, and you can see price action just forming overlapping bars inside trading sessions, and all price action stands in the tight range. That tells that market is in decision, and that is not surprising, since that during recent times a lot of contradictory comments come from different representatives about the euro and Greece and the potential buyback of the Spain and Italy bonds and so on. So that's why probably it's very difficult to make the decision in the current environment, and the calling on the euro currency just confirms that. But what is important for us as for traders on the daily time frame is that after the time of calling, very often market shows significant move in one or other direction. I have shown you this a lot of times, so we could expect some strong move in one or other direction, and our current task is to not make the error and to join with the right move. From that perspective, I see one clue to this possibility. Take a look that stop grabber pattern that is still valid, because market hasn't taken out this low and hasn't erased this pattern. Its length equals to the length of the consolidation, and if market will take out the low of this pattern, this will simultaneously mean that probably potential bullish move to the upside will fail. Also take a look that the invalidation point for a butterfly stands also very close to the lower border of this consolidation. So if market will move below this line and will erase the stop grabber pattern, it will simultaneously shift trend to the bearish side on the daily time frame, and probably will erase the butterfly. So all bullish context that we have now will be destroyed by just moving to the lower border of this consolidation. And simultaneously, since we currently have the bullish context, because all patterns still valid, we now know that our point of no return. So if market will, as we discussed, take out this low, okay, and we know what to expect in the current environment, since we have the bullish context, and we hope that market will show upward breakout and upward continuation to the area of confluence support, and will complete simultaneously the target of the butterfly, the target of this pattern ABC bottom, well, and will complete the initial ABCD pattern. Okay, so that is really significant area of resistance, and that is an area probably will be very suitable for opening the short position in the daily time frame. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, in fact, we do not see anything new. Market holds the bullish trend. That was this combined support of the trend line and Fibonacci support. So this was a confluence support on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that market has tested it twice already, and now trying to show the next bounce from this area. Some additional information could be seen on the hourly time frame. So on the hourly time frame, we also see bullish trend. Now pay attention to that price action. Okay, so you can see that on the MACD we see some upward move, some sort of the, not quite the divergence, but forming the high lows on the MACD indicator, but on the price action we do not see such sort of the price action. But that is not a big deal. One thing that I would like to discuss with you is to talk about this range, particularly about targets of the breakout. So that is the initial swing of the stop grabber on the daily time frame. If market will break this area to the downside, then according to the classical approach of the trading to the ranges, we should see the area around 120-150. Since if market will show the downward breakout, then we should count to the downside from the breakout point the width of the range, and by this action we will get the 120-150 area. Also simultaneously, as we said, market will erase all bullish patterns that we currently have in progress. From the another perspective, if market will show upward breakout, as it's suggested by the trends, suggested by the butterfly and by stop grabber pattern, we will get the area around 125.13. So that is the area, the same area where targets of the butterfly stand. Okay, and that is an agreement with target of this range counted to the upside, target of the butterfly, and again it will stand around the confluence resistance area. So how to act in this environment? It's very difficult to advise anything. So if you hold the bullish position, probably you could try still to hold it, since we currently have no patterns that could point on the changing of the context on the market, because context on the market still bullish. If you do not have any position yet, so you could try to apply one cancel other stop entry orders to place it slightly above, slightly below of this range. So if market will break this area to the upside, you could try to enter long the continuation to the 125.13 area. But if market will erase this move and will break this support area, then probably you could try to enter short, because current context will change drastically if market will break this support area, and the minimum target will be 120-150. But I suppose that this could be even the new wave to the downside, and market could reestablish the new lows on the market. Maybe you will find some other opportunities and possibilities to join the market, but currently if market stands in this range, very few advices that could be given to current situation. Also take a look how this indecision really works on the market. You can see that the pivot point stands precisely in the middle of this range. So that is very tremendous picture. You can see that upswings and downswings around the weekly pivot points almost equal. So that's really interesting situation on the market. So that's the current view on the market. Situation is not very sophisticated currently. Keep an eye on this area. It's around 120 250 area as an invalidation point for the bullish perspective. And since context still holds bullish, I probably currently there's no reason to close long positions, and probably you could continue to keep them.